Mommy. Make them eyebrows.
Oh, you want to do my eyebrows? Okay, you have to start by introducing yourself. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Elena.
Yeah.
Say, my name is Elena.
Yeah.
And what's my name?
Mommy.
I'm your mommy, but what's my real name?
Kelly.
Okay. What are you going to do today?
Makeup.
Okay, whose makeup are you going to do first?
Mommy.
Okay. So, I have taken out most of my makeup. She has a bunch of palettes here on the table. Do you want to start with my eyes or my eyebrows first?
Eyebrows.
My eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're going straight in with a highlighter.
Okay.
You have to show them what you're using. She's using the Illuminate palette. Oh, can you see it? By Ashley Tisdale from BH Cosmetics. It's the Beach Goddess. And she went straight for it, and there's some bronzer on there too. Okay, we are going all in. Do you want to do my eyebrows with this? That's the brush for my eyebrows if you want to use that.
Eyebrows.
And this is the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit.
Like that, yeah?
Yeah. Do you want me to turn to look at you? Okay.
Makeup for you, pretty.
Okay.
You Anna? Yeah, Anna.
Oh, you're making me look like Anna from Frozen?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you want?
I trust your process.
Pink, yeah?
Okay.
No pink.
Oh, okay. So she's using an eyeshadow palette. She's using the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And she's using the color Love Letter right now. And although this is eyeshadow, she's doing blush on me. But who am I to tell her what goes where? I am not going to disrupt her artistic process.
The outside.
Other side, okay.
Yeah, you want back? Yeah.
Okay.
You're pretty.
I'm pretty?
Yeah.
Ooh, guys, she says I'm pretty. You have to tell the people what you're using so that they know what to buy, so they can recreate the look.
This one.
Okay, we're going in Soiree Dreams from Purr. We got that in our Boxy Charm. Say Boxy Charm.
Makeup.
Oh, okay. What color are you going to use from there? What color are you going to use? You have to show it to them. What color? How about some glitter on my eyes?
Glitter, okay.
So we're going to use Twinkle. Can I show them what color you're going to use?
Yeah.
Okay. She's going to use Twinkle right here. Here we go. Okay, I close my eyes.
Right there? Yeah.
Okay, okay. I guess we are not doing my eyes. We are highlighting my nose right now.
You're pretty. My back.
Okay.
There you go. You're pretty.
I'm so pretty.
Wait, more, okay?
More? Okay, she's still using Twinkle, guys.
Pretty.
Oh. For my under eye. She is so concentrated.
Pretty. You are no pretty.
I look like Anna pretty?
Yeah.
Okay, and now we are using Glitzy. Show them what color you're using now.
Like this.
Glitzy, it's like a brown from the same palette. It's a dark brown with glitter.
This one?
We have the Jaclyn Hill palette here.
Yeah.
From Morphe.
The door.
Say Morphe.
Mercy.
Say Jaclyn Hill.
Jaclyn Hill. Mercy.
Jaclyn Hill.
Jaclyn Hill.
Okay. Oh, you're going to use your finger? Okay.
A brown. You're pretty. You're pretty.